Hi, my peeps. What's up, Wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiona in the house. I got this here from I Love Hair Company, and I paid like 100 and a little bit for it. I don't remember now. And it's a human hair, all right, guys. So we're gonna make a wig, okay? So this is the closure, and it's 14 inches. And then you know your girl have to check out the hair quality. It's really nice. I think this one is some water wave or loose wave or something like that. I'm gonna use a cap, put it right there, and I bought 3 bundles. All right, put it as close as possible to the front. All right. I'm just gonna sew everything. Start from under. All right, guys, I'm gonna do the entire thing right around, just like that, and then I'll come back. And I just use one thread. I didn't double it up, okay, guys? The first bundle, and they're all 16 inches. All right, and I'm gonna start it like right behind the ears so to speak. All right, and then we're gonna sew this, and I'm not gonna cut it yet, and then I'm just gonna flip it over and go right around. All right. After you get a little hole off the front, then guys, you want to go under and over, and you want to hold this one. And you just want to follow the line. I'm going to pin one right here. And then I'm going to pin this one a little bit further. Something like so. You want to make a little bit of knot. this is where one pack takes me, and I'm gonna continue with the second one. With the second one, I'm not gonna flip it over. This time I'm gonna cut them because I don't want it to be, you know, having a little lump here. I want it to be smooth. All right, and with this one I'm gonna start it from right here. All right guys, and you want it like that, and then you want to continue right around, and I'm gonna come back. When I reach up in the top, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut like 1 or 2 row, and then I'm gonna fill the top. Okay, I just have the top left, and I have 1 piece, and I'm just going to sew it just like this, and I'm going to sew it close to the edge. All right, all right guys, so this is how it's looking. When I'm gonna try it on, I will cut off this part. I'm gonna cut off this part. So that's how it's looking, and I'm gonna put about 3 pins. All right my peeps, so this is the hair. I didn't use the center part because I have too much center part wig, so I'm trying to make a side part. So I have some foundation, and I'm just gonna, I hope I can see guys, I'm just gonna put it in it like that. All right, so this is it guys. I don't put anything in it because it's new, but I think I'm gonna put some curling stuff in it after, but I'm just showing you as is. So this is it guys.